guys, sorry guys, na-stop ko
We're getting
guys.
close to the point where the device may not have an impact no matter how powerful it is. The sooner that we can get the scrubbers into the atmosphere, the better chance we
Pinag-uusapan
have of
natin yung
losing
ano,
the species to China.
nag-uusapan nila yung pating.
We didn't come this far to fail, Dr. Nichols.
Hindi namin
I
naintindihan,
understand that.
naintindihan namin.
But we have to consider the possibility of error caused by contagion.
So guys, mamaya po maglalaro na po kami ng Roblox. Kung gusto nyo po kami add,
Too much and an error could be catastrophic.
pa-comment na lang ng name nyo. Comment nyo na lang name nyo dyan. Comment nyo na lang po sa comment
That's
section.
But I will settle for more time on the nomination to check and double-check the launch parameters.
Gagi, nainitan sa cellphone ko, pars.
Thank you.
Tayo, di ba huwag mo daw gagamitin na match? Focus ka na agad lang. Ako charger ko, ipi.
Stuff. I can be there in 20.
Uy, puso natin!
Can you transmit video back from that range?
Focus ka na to! Post namin to guys. Like and subscribe and click the bell section.